Amazing cycle innovations. The Rattan XLE E-Bike. The Rattan XL folding electric bike feels like a good choice for riders with limited space and average budget. This would work specifically well for travelers, and campers come to mind, as this bike would be ideal to stow away and then take out for some trail riding when the time comes. This also feels like a good choice for heavy riders too, and/or riders who plan to carry a bunch of gear in a backpack with them. While we're not sure what the load capacity of this bike is, the Fat Bear Plus has a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, and the XL looks to be quite a bit beefier than that one. Its hydraulic brakes offer more than enough stopping power, the IPAS tech helps extend the range, and the integrated light offers some illumination for darker areas. Overall, the XL is a fun ride with plenty of power and range, and it's not just a good value buy, but it also looks good. The Stroke Cargo Trike. The Stroke Cargo's area is placed in the bike's frame so that you can sit directly behind the front two wheels, but in front of the gear sprocket. That cargo area comes with a unique and branded trunk that can be taken out and used as a rolling suitcase. You can use the trunk whenever you want to, or comes a specific need. With Stroke, you can customize it to include an open basket or make it usable as a food delivery vehicle too. As an electric bike, Stroke offers pedal assistance too, and can even power the trike up to a top speed of 24 kilometers per hour. Stroke is belt-driven and features dual disc brakes for better stopping power. The battery is housed directly behind the cargo area. The Himo Bike. The Himo Bikes come in various sizes, some even fit in your backpack. This bike seems to be very cute, like a puppy from far away. It comes with compact folding capabilities. You can conveniently bring your Himo with you wherever you intend to go. Similarly, it comes in both folded and unfolded designs. Foldable handles allow for both compact transportability and a safe and sturdy ride. Foldable foot pedals that easily snap into place when you're ready to ride. It has a clear display that keeps track of your speed, battery status, and headlight settings with a single tap of a button. It has 7-inch cushioned, shock-absorbent tires for maximum protection and smooth riding. The ElliptiGO. ElliptiGO bikes are scooter-shaped and give riders fun and innovative ways to exercise outdoors. With both elliptical and traditional pedal motions, riders enjoy a comfortable, stand-up riding position, a hyper-efficient workout, and boundless fun at the same time. These bikes are manufactured without seats and mostly are used for exercising purposes. This is why it demands a stand-up riding position. These bikes have a splendid design that becomes the impetus to attract the pedestrian's eye or people jogging in the morning. And designs vary from two-wheelers to three-wheelers and look like a giant white-tail buck. the YakiBike. It's the miniature electric penny farthing or mini farthing, as the Yike folks like to say, that you perch on top of as you cruise the streets, dodging traffic jams and enduring ridicule from pedestrians or getting revered for riding something different than them. The Yike is a carbon fiber electric bike that still manages to weigh 22 pounds, which is 10.8 kilograms, runs at 14 miles per hour for up to 6.2 miles on a single charge. It comes with a larger front wheel with double but smaller rear wheels. You begin your ride by sitting on the combined saddle handlebars that seems like a plane handle, and when you reach your destination or the battery dies, both are equally likely, then you scissor the wheels together, fold the appendages, and hook on the carrying strap till you find a charging slot. Snikky Bike. Snikky bikes were brought into the ground with the innovative concept of providing increased flexibility and incredible maneuverability for individual mobility in various areas. The Snikky Bike combines the agile riding properties of a kick scooter with the stability and comfort of a road bike into an effortlessly function electric bike. These bikes actually resemble a replica of early-age bicycles with its 3 times smaller and motorized rear wheel from the front wheel. The riders are abandoned from paddling all the way out. Instead, it needs a small push and the journey towards the destination begins. It can easily be placed in a car because its front wheel is taken out easily and instantly fits in, taking no more than 15 seconds. Let us know the next strangest and alienated items you would like to see in the comment section.